Okay, so I had a bike stolen recently, and I'm thinking it had a pretty cheap cable on it. This frame that I found has what a lot of people consider to be a fairly decent cable. So let's see how good it is. I've got this pair of DeWalt electrical pliers, and they're pretty nice pliers. They're about 20 bucks. And there they are. Let's see how they work against this cable. Okay, here we go. Okay, now there's your bike lock defeated by a $20 pair of pliers. I'm thinking cable's not the way to go.